Hey everyone, my name's Will, and you're watching Gizmo's Quick Tips. Don't forget to check out our channel for more tech help.
Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Will, and today I'm going to show you how to add extensions onto your Google Chrome. So if you guys don't know what extensions are things that you can add onto your Chrome, like Honey, which is a extension that allows you to search for the best possible coupons. You can also add Skype calling and lots of other stuff. So let's get right into it. So first, when you open up Google Chrome, you'll end up on this page right here. What you're going to need to click is this web store. Now, if for some reason this page not pop up for you, in the top left corner of your Google web page, you'll see a thing called apps. If you click that, it brings you to this page. So we're going to click on the web store. We click on that, and we're going to see two different things here: extensions and themes. We're going to focus on extensions. So there's multiple things you can do with extensions here. You can do HubSpot, which is for email tracking and other things. We use that here at Neighborhood Nerds. You can do Hunter. You can do Netflix Party, which allows you to watch Netflix with other people. You can even put Zoom in your Google browser, which I know a lot of people like to use Zoom. And you can pick any of these, and let's say we wanted to add one like Netflix Party. We click on it, and we get this page here, kind of like an app page on your phone. It's got an overview, shows what version it's on, how big the size is, how many stars it's gotten, and how many reviews it has. You can also check reviews. So let's say we wanted to add this to our Google Chrome. All we need to do is click Add to Chrome button right here, accept the extension, and then boom, as you can see right here, Netflix Party is now installed, and you can launch it from in here. And it also pops up with a web page showing, different ways you can use whatever app you've downloaded. And we are going to use this in our next video coming up later this week about how to install AdBlock.
Hope you all enjoyed that quick tech tip. Don't forget to like the video below and subscribe to the channel for more quick tips. Be sure to post any tech questions you have in the comments below. Also, check us out at www.neighborhoodnerds.com or on our Facebook and Twitter in the description. See you guys next time.